A Coke and milk mixture is a popular science experiment that involves mixing soda with milk to observe the resulting chemical reaction. The two liquids will separate, and you'll be left with a mixture that contains a gelatinous brown substance on the bottom and pour the milk into the soda. Once you have the cola in your glass, you can add your milk. You can use any kind of milk you'd like. The best kinds of milk to use are 2%, whole, or skim. It is recommended to use at least a cup, 250 milliliters, of milk for this experiment.
Pour the soda into the glass. You can use any kind of cola for this experiment. A good size is a 2-liter bottle. Pour the entire contents of the bottle into a clear, tall glass. A clear glass is essential for this experiment so that you can watch the reaction.
Wait for the chemical reaction to take place. You will need to wait for at least an hour for the reaction to fully take place. You will begin to see a change in the liquids within the first 15 minutes. The mixture will begin to separate, and a dark brown substance will begin to form at the bottom of the glass. You will also see a brownish liquid forming at the top of the glass. The dark brown substance is the coagulated milk, and the brownish liquid is the cola.